Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to my online class. I am Nur Muhammad, Assistant Teacher of English, Chandigarh High School, Durgapur, Netrokona. Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Dear students, you are out of my sight about 7 months. For 7 months because of COVID-19. I miss all of you. Dear students, because of COVID-19, our all educational activities have been stopped. So, the government has ordered us to carry on the classes through online. As a part of this program, I have been appeared before you to take a class on English second paper for the students of class 10. Dear students, today I would like to discuss on comparison of adjective, which is included to transformation, the transformation of sentence. The transformation of sentence. The chapter is a huge, large chapter, So it is impossible for me to carry on to discuss the chapter, the whole chapter at a time. So I have selected some structures on interchange of positive, comparative and superlative forms. Dear students, today I would like to discuss the interchange of positive, comparative and superlative. Let's start our program. Dear students, the interchange of positive, comparative and superlative. If the positive sentence starts with no other, first no other plus SCN plus extra words plus verb plus as plus degree 1 plus as plus subject. No other plus SCN. SCN means singular common noun. Then extra words plus verb plus as plus degree 1. Degree 1 means positive form of an adjective. Suppose good, better, best. Good is degree 1, better degree 2, best degree 3. I have used degree 1, D1 plus as plus subject. Positive, if you find the positive sentence on this structure, then you will change this structure. You will change this structure into comparative following this structure. The comparative structure will be first subject plus verb plus degree 2 plus then plus any other. Instead of no other, you will have to use any other plus SCN plus extra words. Comparative structure. Then come to superlative. Superlative structure will be subject plus verb plus be plus degree 3 plus SCN plus extra words. Now, I would like to give an example of this structure. No other no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. No other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. No other city is singular common noun. In Bangladesh, extra words is verb as big as Dhaka. Positive sentence. Now let's make it comparative. To make it comparative, you have to follow this structure. First, subject Dhaka. Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. Comparative structure, comparative sentence. I have changed the positive sentence into comparative. Now I will change it into superlative following this structure. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood the structures and their examples. Now, the second structure is I would like to discuss on the second structure. The second structure starts with very few plus PCN. PCN means plural common noun. PCN plus extra words plus verb plus as plus degree 1 plus as plus subject. If the positive sentence starts with very few, then PCN, plural common noun, plus extra words plus verb plus as plus degree 1 plus as plus subject. Then you will have to change into comparative following this structure. First, subject plus verb plus degree 2 plus then degree 2 plus then plus most other. Instead of very few, it will be most other plus PCN plus extra words. Comparative structure will be subject plus verb plus degree 2, comparative form of the adjective, plus then plus most other. Very few we turn into most other plus PCN plus extra words. Comparative form. Then let's make it superlative. Superlative structure will be subject plus verb plus one of the plus degree 3 plus PCN plus extra words. here are the three structures. If you find positive structure with very few, then you will have to make comparative following this structure, superlative that structure. You may be asked to change any comparative sentence of this structure to positive or comparative superlative. Then if you ask to make positive sentence of this structure, then you will have to follow this structure. If you are asked to change any sentence of this structure, then you will have to follow this structure to make it positive. And if you are asked to change any sentence of this structure, comparative to superlative, then you will have to follow that structure. Let's give an example. Very few cities in the world are as populous as Dhaka. Very few cities in the world are as populous as Dhaka. Make it comparative following this structure. Dhaka is more populous than most other cities in the world. Dhaka is more populous than most other cities in the world. Now make it superlative. According to this structure, Dhaka is one of the most populous cities in the world. Dhaka is one of the most populous cities in the world. Here are the structures, interchange of positive, comparative and superlative. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood. In the next class, I would like to discuss on the interchange of simple, complex and compound. Till then, keep well, abide by the rules of health and stay at home. Stay safe. Goodbye.